are pleased to show you the 2020 CX5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear bumper protector, PIO, retractable cargo cover. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, Stitcher, audio internet radio, AHA, Mazda Connect, satellite communications.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.